playing Grow Garden. I have my mango apples. This. Also this. And this is the new update. So this is my... You need to just take a picture with it. Guys, do you know why I don't do face reveal? Because face reveal are... I hate them. So I stay with my only Roblox screen. Bro, what in the world? I've not been stuck for months. Now I need to collect gold. Oh, bamboo seed. 6 bamboo seeds. I'm gonna buy of them. This is my garden. I'll buy some pets. Some more. Who wants my if you want some things to me, like and subscribe and comment your username in the comment. I'll give you fruit. Okay? Just friend me if you want. This is my account again. I'll show you. Done. Okay. This. I got the immunity items off. This is all the quest. Shop time. god, how would this grow? So big. The biggest corn I ever seen. Climb the tree to get. You climb the tree to get the angle. Coconut tree. That poor dude, I didn't get that free. Wow, I think it's going to funny. Oh my god! That flying! What the? What is this? You're back now. If you want to see more video, just like and subscribe for more Rose Garden. Last time my bamboo got stolen, so I need to grab another bamboo to make one biggest bamboo ever. So I'm trying hard to get that bamboo. Finally, I'm climbing this. Savannah! Social media lah. Blueberry seed. See ya tomorrow. I'm gonna film tomorrow. Bye.